Got him. Got him. Got him, Mowgli. I've got an article in my blog on where to catch shad. I'm gonna put this spot in there. This usually is a better spot. Jimmy fell in the water. Stay in the yard. One man boat loading. All right, everyone, you can't go through Smithville without stopping by world famous Cricket's hot dogs. Best hot dogs in Johnston County. Mowgli's hard to beat a Cricket's hot dog. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Max's Extreme River Fishing and Outdoors. Today, hopefully we're gonna catch some shad. I might bass fish some, who knows. But we're on the Neuse River, right outside of Goldsboro. We're gonna put in, go up to where the little river comes in. The river's a little muddy, but the little river's a Blackwater River, so that water should be clear. There's 3 boats probably up there now. There's 4 trailers in the parking lot, but one's leaving, so at least 3 boats that are probably up there. But anyway, let's get busy. Let's go catch some fish. Woo! Guys, we're headed on the river upstream about 3 miles. River's a little muddy. Got some kayakers behind us. Mowgli's first day in the boat. He's a little nervous, but he'll get over it. So we're gonna go up the little river 3 miles up and let's see what happens. Guys, right now we're at the entrance to the little river. All right, got a double rig. Here. Mommy got one before Daddy did.
Look, Mowgli. We caught a shad.
All right, guys, she got one before I did. A little one. Put him back. Okay. He's gone. All right, guys, I'm gonna try the jig and a shad dart. Let's see what happens. She got another one. Don't room so close this time. Oh, that's a nice one.
Nice fish, Mowgli. Ooh, Mowgli, look at that one, buddy.
She got a nice one. Oh, God.
Look at that, Mowgli.
Oh, that's a nice one, honey.
Yep.
She got a real nice one with that one. She got a real nice one with that one. I'll put him back. Good job, honey. He good.
Pull up in there and hook off to that rope.
All right, appreciate it.
That's a good spot.
Yeah, she's done skunked me.
Giving it up. Y'all have that.
Appreciate it.
Alright. Y'all have a good one.
Appreciate it. All right, guys, now we're in the best spot. That's the little river coming in. Got the noose in front of us. She's caught several. I've got a couple hits, but I haven't caught anything. So I got to get busy, catch some fish. All right, guys, she's been killing me. See if I can catch one right here. Oh yeah, right there. Got him. Got him. Got him, Mowgli. Got him. Little ones, put him back. All right, good job. All right, guys, I changed. I hung up. Put back the white grub on, silver spoon. Let's see if we can catch one, two. This reel is reeling rough since it got in the water. Okay, guys, gonna try the road runner. Let's see what happens with that. All right, guys, we had to let Mowgli out the potty. So we're gonna fish off the bank right here. Let's see if we can catch something. Where to catch shad, I'm gonna put this spot in there. This usually is a better spot. Tell me fell in the water. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. This is usually an awesome spot where the little river meets the Neuse. Today it just wasn't happening. She outfished me. I only caught one or two shad. She caught, I don't know, 2, 3, or 4. She caught a nice big one though. But I guess I've been spoiled on the Roanoke River, catching a lot of shad there. And this was just a bad day. I've caught a lot in the Neuse before as well, but it was just a slow, bad day. But any day's a good day on the water. Guys, I've got a blog. Check out Mac's River Fishing and Canoeing blog. I'll put a link to it in the description. I'm gonna post, you can walk here from a state park, or you can boat here from a state public ramp. But anyway, I'm gonna post that in the description, where this is. where to fish, all that good stuff. Mowgli's having a good time. But anyway, guys, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. It's gonna be right there, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.